What makes this problem tricky is that they want us to convert. Otherwise, this is a pretty simple problem, but they're counting and banking on us making those type of mistakes. And we have a hint of that because this is so late in the game, 37. We're almost done with the test. So these have to be our more quote unquote difficult problems. They want to know if she drove directly from her home to her workplace in 24 minutes, what was her drive in miles per hour? So we can get her total distance by adding all these distances together. So 0.6 plus 15.4 plus 1.4. So adding that all together here would give us 0.6 plus 15.4 plus 1.4 is 17.4 is the total amount of miles driven. Well, how long did that take? Well, there's two ways to kind of go about it from here. You can divide it by how many minutes there are, 24 minutes. And then what we end up with is, let's see, we end up with, well, actually, let me get the number here first, divided by 24. And that would be 0.725 miles per minute. Now, and we think about how fast someone drives. In real life, we can see is that the SAT doesn't give us crazy values compared to what real life is. So if you were thinking that this was miles per hour, going 0.725 miles per hour would definitely be a red flag that maybe you made an error. And then dimensional analysis would tell you to how to properly convert it. So we want to get rid of minutes and go to hours. Well, how do we do that? Well, we want minutes on the top here so that they can cancel out. And we know that there are 60 minutes for every 1 hour. So we're multiplying this number now by 60. So 0.725 times 60, and that gives us 43.5. And then that is our answer. You could also put 44, or you could also put 43. So it seems like they're pretty flexible as to how we can go about it. The other way to go about it is recognizing that I don't even want to possibly make the mistake of messing up my units later on. So let me get that done now. I know that 24 minutes over 60 minutes is going to give me an hour, right? Because 24 minutes times, let's see, I'm sorry. So 1 hour over 60 minutes, that, and this is our given, that would cancel out minutes. So really what I do is I say 24 divided by 60, and that gives me 0.4 hours. And then if I divide the top by the bottom, we also end up with 43.5.